Everyone, thanks a lot for tuning into my channel. So today I'm going to be talking about an event which I have been on 21st. It was in VLCC Kolkata. The event was called hashtag VLCC style statements. So the event was really informative. Like, we had really good conversation or Q&A session with their marketing head, with their beauty department, with their doctors like dermatologists, cosmetologists. So I particularly used to see VLCC as a body shaping or slimming center. I didn't know much about it. Like, I used to use their product. I even still I use their products. I use their depigmentation cream and all. I've used their facial products, but I didn't know much about like their centers. I've never been to their centers before. So it was really very informative and educative. So we particularly talk about the new services that they are going to launch. Now they are experimenting, but soon they are going to launch it here in Kolkata. It is called microblading. I don't know if you know it or not, but microblading is a semi-permanent makeup for your brows. Like, they use some needles to draw your eyebrow. They give your eyebrows a shape, and they fill it in with some color like shade, which suits your skin tone or which suits your face, and which they frame your eyebrows which suit your skin or like your whole face. And it is semi permanent, as I said. So it will last you about 18 months. For about 18 months, I think, which is really great for a person like me. Like, I really don't get time to fill in my brows. Brow really takes a lot of time if you fill them in completely. Like, if you want to fill them in on a right manner, it will take time. So for people like us, like who don't have time, like people who go to office and who go to constant conferences, still they have to look presentable. This process is really very beneficial for them. And we talked about the semi-permanent makeup as well, like like contouring and semi-permanent lipstick, what's it called, semi-permanent lip tint. All of the semi-permanent makeup will last you about 18 months. You can also contour your face. Like, they can also do semi-permanent contouring, but it has to be done with highly trained professionals. You cannot let anyone do that. Like, if someone does a bad contouring on your face, you have to live with that for 18 months. So you have to choose that for you have to choose very wisely for a semi-permanent makeup. And VLCC here does that, and I was so glad to know that they have introduced such thing in Kolkata as well. And they are going to introduce eyelash extensions too, which I am really excited about, because I really want my lashes to grow, and I don't get time, and I don't have patience to use eyelashes, false eyelashes. I really don't have time and patience, and it takes really it really takes time. Do a DNA testing of your skin. I didn't I didn't get the exact part of it, like the technicality of it, but what I got is they do a detan or a deeper skin checkup. I will make it clear, I will make it easier for you to understand. They do a deeper skin checkup. Like, they check. Okay, Bubbles is sleeping there. They do a skin checkup, and they analyze what skin type you are, or what genes you have, which affects your skin condition. So and likewise, they decide which treatment you can go for, or which treatment would be good for you. So that I really liked. Once I'm done with breastfeeding, I'm going to VLCC for sure for my skin treatment. But not the least, they they gave us a goodie, the preloaded card of VLCC, which you can use, like which I can use anywhere in India. It's a preloaded card, beauty card. I can avail their services, or I can I can avail their services. So that is the gift card they gave us. All the bloggers, they gave this gift card, and uh, they gave us this VLCC muesli. This is multi-grain muesli, and I in particular, I don't like muesli that much. I am more of a savory person. I don't like sweet, or I don't like cereals. I really don't like cereals in my breakfast. I know I should include cereals in my breakfast, but I don't like. I like roti paratha and all, but this my husband will definitely like. I am sure of it. My husband will definitely like it. Next, we got this Slimmers green tea. I'm excited about it. I really want to go on my slimming regime. I really want to start working out. Once I settle, I know it's I don't know why am I not, why haven't I started yet, but I really want to start, and I will start very soon. So I will start by this. This is their Slimmers green tea, and it's a 25 tea bag pack of green tea. So I'm quite excited about this, really excited about it. And last but not the least, we got this diamond facial kit. I have used it before. It's awesome, you guys. If you want a really soft and supple and glowy skin, you should definitely go for this diamond facial. I swear by this. I have used it before, and I've really felt the difference. It takes about, like, it takes a little bit time to do this facial, but it's totally worth it, guys. It's just awesome. This facial is really awesome. That was my vlog about the VLCC event. It went really well. At least I think it went really well. And previously I was a little concerned about the event, that how it will be, how am I going to react to it, or how am I going to fit in there, because I've never been to any event before. So I was a little skeptical if I should go or not, but it was really worth going. I really enjoyed being there, and I really I'm really looking forward to go in more events like this. For all of you who think VLCC is a slimming center, you are mistaken. They have so many services to offer. They have beauty, they have bridal, they have nail extensions. They are launching semi-permanent makeup, microblading. So it's not just a slimming center, you guys. It's not a synonym to slimming center. They have a variety of services to offer. So I think now you get it, that VLCC is not just about shaping your body. They are all about your beauty, like makeup, beauty, skincare, you name it, they've got it. So I hope this video was helpful for you, and I really hope you will subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.